We both have our coffee. We're out here on the porch just waiting for the birds to find the little suet feeder over there. Today is the day I'm going to hang out my suet. It is a berry treat suet. I've been waiting to do this, and this is what it looks like. My husband's going to get it the rest of the way out of its container and put it into the metal cage, and then we're going to hang it out up front. And the reason we do that is the last time we did it, the birds and the squirrels went crazy for it. Just do your best to get it in there. I don't remember how I did it last time.
Oh, it's harder than I thought.
I know. I think you just slide it. There we go. Close the lid. Alrighty, so we gotta close the lid. Oh my goodness, it takes 2 people. We did it. It took 2 people, but we got it in its cage. Let's bring it down here. So, let me come down here and show you. So we took a trellis and he secured it at the bottom, and it's right here in the bushes, and it's going to be right there. And that might make it easier for the squirrels, but the birds will have no problem. And they like this plant back here, my rhododendron, they're always in and around it. So I think it'll be fun to sit on the porch and watch as they discover it's here. So we put this out kind of late in the morning, and it's super hot today, and we're like, hey, why don't we put it out back where it's shady and we'll be able to sit out there. I just took this plant down because one of the hangers broke and it was hanging sideways. I have my bird bath back here, so it makes sense to hang this right here. Yeah, so there's a bird in the bird bath right now, and right there is the suet. We're going to see if the bird notices it. It's too busy in the water at the moment. We're once again going to move the suet. We're going to move the shepherd's hook and put it a little bit closer to the bird bath, because the birds really enjoy the bird bath. So we're putting it right in the hostas, pretty close. And the birds can land on it too. They're pretty agile. Another bird just came in and he's inspecting the bird bath. Right now they seem to be more interested in that. This is my other bird feeder. I bought this giant bag of seed that you can cut open and then you reseal it. Keeps the bird seed good in there. Now this, I was looking at them in hardware stores and they're like $20, $30. Very expensive. I got this at a thrift store. If you watch my other channel, Left Lane Finds, I am a thrifter reseller. So of course I'm always in thrift stores trying to find items to put in my cart, and I saw this one and it went in right away. Thrift store wanted $6. It looks brand new. It looks like nobody used it. It's a little dusty. It's been sitting in my house for a bit. But we're going to fill it up with bird seed, and then we're going to hang it out there where we had the suet. We're still trying to attract the birds, even though it's like early afternoon and it's a bit on the hot side today. It's in the upper 80s. They're making it impossible to open. He cut the top of it, but it's so tight. We're going to have to figure out how to get it open. All right, we got it open. Now, I think it says open with handle, so I think you just twist the top off. Okay, I'm twisting this, hoping to get this. Oh my goodness, dropped on the ground. Oh, I see now. I think I see how it works. So neither of us have ever had a bird feeder. We are stumbling around. I'm sure you guys are laughing at us trying to figure this out. So I got a funnel. We're going to put the seed in this side, and then put the bottom on the top, and then flip it over. But there's a hole at the bottom, so I got to hold my finger there so that the seed doesn't go out. There was such a comedy of errors, but we actually got it in there. The seed's in there. It's coming out the bottom. Boy, it took us 2 or 3 tries, and trying to get that lined up again at the top. Is there a different, easier way? For people who have bird feeders, can you please tell me what's the best way to fill them? I know I wouldn't fill it from the bottom now, right? I have to keep taking this top off and filling it from the inside, but boy, that was quite the chore. Okay, here I go. Oh, and it turns out I paid $6.99. Got to take the price tag off. That's okay. And there was a bird in there, and there's a squirrel right up in there. He is on the branch. I can zoom in on him. We have bird seed all over the chairs. I'm sure critters will come and get it, and all over the table here. I'm going to try to get some of it back into the bag. So I was just out watering my flowers. I'm really late watering them today. Look how wilted my kale is getting. And when I turned around to look at that, there was a bird on it. I guess you don't want to ever get them wet. So my question is do you bring it in if you know it's going to rain, or if it's raining, you have to bring in your bird feeders, right? So there was one little bird, and he flew away right away, and now he brought back his friend. I am so new to bird watching or having a bird feeder. This is my first time having a seated one like that. The suet wasn't getting a lot of attention, but... Oh, suet. I've been saying it wrong this whole time. Suet. Let me see if I can zoom in. I think the word got out on the seed. I just put fresh water in the bird bath. I'm sneaking up on the bird feeder. Oh, they're just in the yard. Don't they know there's good feed in the feeder? What do they want, bugs? Don't eat the bugs. Okay. Oh, there's a... Oh, the blue jay scared it away. I think they're all going to be fighting over that feeder. Okay. Now I'm going to have to learn a little bit more about bird watching. There's like little sparrows out there, and the blue jay's still hanging around. he's being a little bit of a bully with all these other birds. I think they're hiding from him now. Oh, he's so local. So pretty, huh? Every time I stop filming, it's when they go to the feeder. The blue jay was just there, but now there's a little sparrow. Oh, he's calling and something's responding back. The cardinal has made a visit along with the blue jay, a bunch of starlings. Oh, we're trying not to startle the cardinal. Don't know if it had a chance. Boy, they're really going after the seeds on the ground. Maybe they're easier to get to. Our newest hobby. What?
That one's going
I don't know. But boy, they're going after him.
up. No, the squirrel farm.
Yeah. It's the next morning and I was trying to get them at the bird feeder and I just scared everything away. Thanks for watching.